Welcome to Code with Nitish, where we dive deep into the world of data structures and algorithms. Are you ready to take your coding skills to the next level? Join me as we tackle lead code problems together and picked from interviews at top tier tech giants like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, Microsoft, Uber, LinkedIn, Bloomberg, Goldman Sachs, Cisco, Twitter, and more. In each video, we will dissect problem step by step. First, I'll walk you through the problem statement, ensuring we understand it thoroughly. Then we will discuss test cases to cover various scenarios. Next, we will explore the brute force solution, understanding its limitations and inefficiencies. For some problems, I'll introduce you to the optimal solution and, if applicable, the most optimal solution. We will delve into each approach, conducting dry runs to illustrate how they work and analyze their time and space complexities. Finally, armed with this knowledge, we will dive into coding. I guide you through implementing the best approach, ensuring you grasp the concepts and techniques involved. And for our global audience, switch on captions in your preferred language, whether it's English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Punjabi, or Bhojpuri. We have got you covered. To enhance your learning experience, find the link to an Excel sheet in the description below every video. Practice alongside me, and if you ever get stuck, I have got you covered with the solution videos for each problem. In the Excel sheet, I have carefully organized the problems by difficulty level, easy, medium, or hard, and noted the companies that have asked these questions. I will be regularly uploading new videos so you can keep learning with me. Dive into separate playlists through various problems such as arrays, dynamic programming, graphs, hashing, linked list, sorting, strings, text, trees, heaps, and much more. I have included timestamps for each section of the video. This makes it easy for you to jump to the most optimal solutions or review important concepts whenever you want. Subscribe now and embark on a journey to master data structures and algorithm with me. To learn more about my skills and experience, you can view my portfolio or connect with me on LinkedIn. Don't forget to follow my Instagram account, Code with Nitish, for more updates. And remember to hit the bell icon for notifications.